Hello students, welcome in the series of lectures on ordinary differential equation. This is part 1. Basically, in this lecture I will discuss about the concepts of first order and first degree differential equation. One of the equation which belongs to this category is known as exact differential equation. So, we will discuss about exact differential equation and its solution. We will also discuss that how the term exact differential equation comes in existence and how one can find the solution if a differential equation is exact. So, let us start. Exact differential equation. First of all, I will tell you that an equation whose order as well as degree is 1 is known as exact differential equation. Means first order and means it is a kind of equation belongs to the category of first order and first degree differential equation. Let us see what is its standard form. So the expression mx dx plus n dy equals to 0 is called an exact differential equation. Means we will say this equation is an exact differential equation where m and n are the function of xy or constant. If the partial derivative of m with respect to y. What I mean to say, this equation is said to be exact if partial derivative of this m with respect to y and partial derivative of n with respect to x are equal to each other. Then this equation is said to be exact differential equation. Means the derivative of m with respect to y is equals to derivative of n with respect to x. Then this equation is said to be exact. This is the standard form of an exact differential equation. Basically, the terms exact uh, comes in the existence to address the concept of exact differential equation or introduce the term exact differential equation. This equation is said to be exact. Means I am talking about this term only without 0 if it is the exact differential of some function f. Means this expression becomes exact differential equation if this is the exact differential of some standard function f. I will discuss that in the next slide, where m and n have the continuous first order partial derivative. Means they must have continuous with the first order partial derivative in a domain D. First is known as the condition of necessary and sufficient for an equation to be exact. Means this condition is known as necessary and sufficient condition for an equation to be exact differential equation. In other words, if this expression is an exact differential for some function f such that f is having continuous first order partial derivative, that is f can be represent like this, and this, as you see, it is the expression for total derivative. Means this expression becomes an exact differential equation if there exists a function f such that the total derivative of f is equals to this much. Means if I consider del f over del x as m, del f over del y as n, then this equation will be exact differential equation. So this is the same as I told you. So this is what exactly the meaning of exact differential equation. This expression is said to be or converted into an exact differential equation if it is exact differential equation of a continuous function which is having continuous partial derivative. So this is what the concept of exact differential equation we are having. Now let us see, if an equation is exact, how one can find its solution. Till now I just tell you that how we can check whether an equation is exact or not. If exact, then the next step is what? How to find its solution. So solution. If the differential equation that I already discussed, m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is exact, then its solution is given by, we simply do the integration of given equation, integral of this one, integral of this one. Keeping remember that for the first integral y is constant, and for the second integral, for the first integral we will take y as constant, and for the second integral it's not we will take the whole terms of n, we simply take the terms of n without x. Or we can do one thing, whatever n we are having, we have to put x equals to 0 in that one, whatever left just put it here and equal to a constant of integration, and this is what the solution of exact differential equation we are having. So in other words, we have to find a continuous function f such that del f over del x is m and del f over del y is n. Means it is the same as the specification I told you about the exact differential equation. Means the solution of this means what? You need to find a function f which is continuous such that this m is equals to the derivative of f for x and this n is equals to the derivative of f for y. Generally, we are not supposed to use this expression. We are simply use this expression to find the solution of a exact differential equation. Remember, this is applicable only in the case when the equation is exact differential equation. Now, let us consider some of the problems based on it. First problem. Check the exactness of the following differential equation. This is a differential equation which is given to us. Here, if you see, this is the value of m we are having. If you see, this is what? This is the value of m we are having and this is the value of n we are having. So, in order to check whether the equation is exact or not, because firstly we will check its exactness. So, simply we need to find del m over del y. So, it's a derivative for y partially. So, derivative x will be 0 because we are doing for y, and for y once again 4x is constant, y is 1. So, this will be 4x. Derivative of n for x. So, this will be 4x and this will be y. So, constant, so 0. This is also 4x. Now, we can see that del m over del y is equals to del n over del x. It means the given equation satisfy the condition of exactness. Hence, the given differential equation, that is this much, is an exact differential equation. Now, let us see how to find its solution. So, simply the same term, integral m dx plus n dy, means here I just put the terms of m, that is this much, and the terms of n here, but putting x equal to 0. So, if you see, if I am putting x equal to 0 in it, this will be vanished. What left? Only 2y. So, here what I am writing, I will write only 2y. So, let us see. So, the same, I just put m dx plus n dy. In n I will get only 2y. So, its integration with respect to x. So, integral of 3x square is x cube by 3 and this much is 4x square by 2 since y is constant, plus 2y integral is 2y square by 2 equals to c. Simplifying, we will get this as the solution of the given exact differential equation. So, this is how one can see whether an equation is exact or not, and if exact, how to find its solution. Let us see one more problem on it. Solve. So, this is what we are having a differential equation, m dx plus n dy. Coefficient of dx is m, coefficient of dy is n. So, firstly we will check its exactness. So, you can do one thing, check it by yourself, then match the answer with the video lecture. So, here the same thing, we are having m as this much and n is this much. Now, we will move to find del m over del y and del n over del x. So, del m over del y will be what? It's a derivative for y. So, cos y derivative minus sin y, 2x constant, 3x square constant, y derivative is 1, and its derivative we will do for x. So, it will be 3x square minus 2x sin y, y is 0. So this is we will get for del n over del x. Now you can see both of them are equal. It means the given equation is an exact differential equation. So this is how I can check the equation is exact or not. Now let us see that how to find its solution. We will proceed in the same manner as we have done previous question. So the solution integral m dx plus n dy. I just substitute the value of m and n in it. And remember here I just put the value of n by putting x equal to 0. So if I am putting x equal to 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, only what I get minus y. So minus y here, now we will do its integration with respect to x and y, and we can see the solution of the equation is x square cos y plus x cube y minus y square upon 2 equal to c. This is the solution of given exact differential equation. So this is how we will get the solution. Let us see one more kind of problem on it. For what value of a the following differential equation is exact? Means what? Here they are not asking you to check whether the equation is exact or not or to find the solution. They simply ask if the given equation is exact, what will be the constant a. This is the given differential equation. So this is the value of m, this is the value of n. Now we will proceed to check whether it is exact or not. As you know that in order to be check exactness, we must do one thing, what? Necessary and sufficient condition. Means its derivative for y and its derivative of x will be equal to each other. Then we will say the equation is exact differential equation. So let us start. Value of m we are having. Also we are having value of n. Now we will find del m over del y. So y x is 0 and n y is 0. So these are the two terms that I am getting by doing its differentiation. Remember these are the partial derivatives. So for x y is constant and for y x is constant. Now in order to be exact, both of the term must be equal to each other. Put equal to, do the comparison, I will get the value of a as minus 2. So when I am putting a as minus 2 in the given differential equation, this much, the equation will be exact. So this is the kind of problem which can be asked from the section of exact differential equation. So there are some of the practice problem also we are having. So now you need to solve them. The question is what? Check the exactness of the equation, and if exact you need to find their solution. So there are 3, 4, 5 questions I am having. So you need to find its solution. Remember generally we are discussing for x and y, but here the equation is theta and r. So no issue to no issue for confusion. Dr means dx, d theta means dy. One more category of problem, you need to find the constant for which these equation is exact differential equation. So I prepare these 4 to 6 questions for you, try to solve them. Still not getting, you can ask the same in the comment section, or do one thing, go through the video lecture once again. So that's all about the exact differential equation we are having. What is exact differential equation?